Yokatta. This grammar is very similar to the last moment we just studied. So in this grammar, it had a meaning of should have or it should have been better if ... something. So how to use? In Japanese, they use the grammar of ba. That you have to change the verb to be the ba form and followed by yokatta. And sometimes you will see that yokatta no ni. You can say something like this, or you just say yokatta. This depend to the situation we are talking about and depend to the sentence that you use it. So sometimes you can use by yokatta only, but sometimes you can use yokatta no ni. So what you have to remember that it means you have to change the verb that you use with the yokatta to be the ba form. For example, suru, when you change to the ba form, so sureba, yokatta no ni, something like this. So it's very similar to the last moment we just learned about the grammar of ba, nani, right? So now let's see some sample together. So sureba yokatta. So sureba yokatta, which means I should have done that. I should have done that. Or you can translate like, if I do that way, maybe I could be done, something like this. Or maybe I could be finish something, complete something, achievement something like this. Next example, kasa o motte kureba yokatta. Kasa o motte kureba yokatta. This means I should have brought an umbrella. I should have brought an umbrella. In this sentence, it means that when you go to somewhere and you don't take your camera with you, so it have a rain. So you in this case you can say, if I take the camera, if I take an umbrella with me, it's very good. It's good. So in Japanese you can say, kasa o motte kureba yokatta, something like this. The next example, 早く連絡してくればよかったのに。早く連絡してくればよかったのに。Which means you should have contacted me earlier. You should have contacted me earlier. 友達にあんなことを言わなければよかった。友達にあんなことを言わなければよかった。Which means I wish I hadn't told my close friends about you. I wish I hadn't told my close friends